Welcome to English Bio Talk. Are you ready to speak English better at your job? Your boss asks, "Can you send me the report?" Your phone rings. A client is waiting. Do you know what to say fast? In this lesson, you'll learn easy, powerful sentences for work, greetings, requests, meetings, emails, phone calls, problems, and goodbyes. A one to be one level, clear, simple, and ready to use today. Welcome to English Bio Talk. I'm Anna. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Stay to the end for a mini speaking drill to practice like a real meeting. Ready? Repeat after me. Let's start. This video is for you if you're learning English at A1, A2, or B1 level. Today, we're going to learn many useful sentences for work and office life. You'll feel more confident talking to colleagues, clients, and your boss. How to use this video? Just listen carefully to each sentence. Then, when I say, "Repeat after me," say this sentence out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try your best. Let's get started. Let's start with common greetings at work. Our first sentence is, "Good morning." You say this when you arrive at work in the morning, before noon. It's a friendly way to start the day. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Good morning. Next, good afternoon. Use this after 12 p.m. when the morning is over. It's polite to say to your colleagues. Repeat after me. Good afternoon. And for later in the day, good evening. You can say this greeting after work hours or if you're working late. Repeat after me. Good evening. When you meet someone new, say, "Nice to meet you." This shows you're happy to know them. It's a very common phrase. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. And when you introduce yourself, "My name is," remember to say your own name here. For example, "My name is Sarah." Repeat after me. My name is. Tell people your department. I work in. This tells others where you work in the company. Maybe it's sales, marketing, or IT. Repeat after me. I work in. Now let's learn some essential polite phrases for every day. First, excuse me. Use excuse me to get someone's attention or to say sorry if you bump into someone. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Next, sorry. Say sorry when you make a small mistake or if you caused a problem. Repeat after me. Sorry. A very important word, please. Always use please when you ask for something. It makes your request polite. Repeat after me. Please. And always remember to say, thank you. Say thank you when someone helps you or gives you something. It's a sign of good manners. Repeat after me. Thank you. And the reply to thank you is, you're welcome. This means it was my pleasure to help you. It's a polite response. Repeat after me. You're welcome. Now let's learn how to ask for help or offer help at work. First phrase, "Can you help me, please?" This is a direct and polite way to ask someone for assistance. Remember to use please. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Another way to ask for help. I need help with this. This is clear and tells people you have a problem with a specific thing. Repeat after me. I need help with this. If you want to offer help, you can say, "How can I assist you?" This is a formal and very polite way to ask what someone needs. Repeat after me. How can I assist you? A simpler way to offer help. Let me help you. This phrase is kind and shows you are willing to help. Repeat after me. Let me help you. If you see someone who looks busy, you can ask, "Do you need anything?" This shows you are attentive and ready to support. Repeat after me. Do you need anything? Next, let's learn how to make polite requests. Try this. Can I have please? You can ask for a pen, a cup of coffee, or a document. Remember to put the item's name there. Repeat after me. Can I have please? To ask for a document, say, "Could you send me the report?" This is a polite way to ask for information or a document via email. Repeat after me. Could you send me the report? If you need someone to review something, please check this document. This is a clear instruction for someone to look at your work. Repeat after me. Please check this document. If you want to talk later, can you call me later? Use this if you are busy now and want to talk on the phone at another time. Repeat after me. Can you call me later? If you didn't hear something clearly, could you please repeat that? This is a polite way to ask someone to say something again. Repeat after me. Could you please repeat that? Let's talk about tasks and projects. To ask about work, what is your task today? This asks about someone's main job or duty for the day. Repeat after me. What is your task today? To answer, you can say, my task is to finish this report. Tell what you are planning to do or what you are responsible for. Repeat after me. My task is to finish this report. To ask about time limits, when is the deadline? The deadline is the final time or day something must be done. Repeat after me. When is the deadline? You can answer, the deadline is tomorrow. Or you can say next week or Friday instead of tomorrow. Repeat after me. The deadline is tomorrow. To inform someone you're beginning work, I will start now. This simple phrase tells your team you are beginning a task immediately. Repeat after me. I will start now. When your work is almost done, it's almost finished. This tells others that you are very close to completing your task. Repeat after me. It's almost finished. And when your work is done, it's finished. A simple, clear way to say your work is complete. Repeat after me. It's finished. Meetings are a big part of office life. Let's learn some phrases for them. First, let's start the meeting. The person leading the meeting says this to begin. Repeat after me. Let's start the meeting. If you enter a room where a meeting is starting, someone might say, please take a seat. This means, please sit down. It's a polite invitation. Repeat after me. Please take a seat. To ask what the meeting is about, what is the agenda? The agenda is the list of topics to discuss during the meeting. Repeat after me. What is the agenda? If you want to ask something during a meeting, I have a question. This tells others you want to speak and ask something. Repeat after me. I have a question. When you want to give your opinion, can I say something? This is a polite way to interrupt or ask for permission to speak. Repeat after me. Can I say something? To show you think the same as another person. I agree with you. This is how you express agreement in a discussion. Repeat after me. I agree with you. If you have a different opinion, say, I don't agree. It's important to be polite even when you disagree. Repeat after me. I don't agree. To pause a long meeting, let's take a break. This suggests a short stop in the meeting, usually for coffee or rest. Repeat after me. Let's take a break. When the meeting finishes, the meeting is over. This simple phrase announces the end of the meeting. Repeat after me. The meeting is over. Now let's practice sentences for phone calls in the office. To answer the phone, hello. Say your company's name. For example, hello, Biotech Solutions. Repeat after me. Hello. If you want to know who is calling, who is speaking, please? This is a polite way to ask for the caller's name. Repeat after me. Who is speaking, please? If you want to talk to someone, can I speak to? Always use the person's name here. For example, can I speak to Mr. Johnson? Repeat after me. Can I speak to? If you need a moment before connecting someone, please hold. This tells the caller to wait on the line. Repeat after me. Please hold. When you connect the call, I will connect you. This means you are transferring the call to another person. Repeat after me. I will connect you. If the person is not available, he is not here, or she is not here. This tells the caller the person they want to speak to is absent. Repeat after me. He is not here. If someone is not there, ask, can I take a message? This offers to write down information for the person who is absent. Repeat after me. Can I take a message? If you want to call someone at a different time, I will call back later. This tells the person on the phone that you will call them again soon. Repeat after me. I will call back later. Emails and messages are very common at work. Let's practice some phrases. First, I will send an email. This tells someone you are going to write and send an electronic message. Repeat after me. I will send an email. To check if someone got your email, did you get my email? This is a simple question to confirm receipt of your message. Repeat after me. Did you get my email? To ask for a response, please reply to this message. This asks the receiver to write back to you. Repeat after me. Please reply to this message. To confirm you received a message, I received your message. This lets the sender know you got their communication. Repeat after me. I received your message. To share an email with someone else, I will forward this to. Forward means to send an email you received to another person. Repeat after me. I will forward this to. Sometimes, problems happen at work. Here are some sentences for when they do. First, we have a problem. This tells others that there is an issue that needs attention. Repeat after me. We have a problem. To ask for details about the issue, what is the problem? This asks for information about what is wrong. Repeat after me. What is the problem? To find a solution, how can we fix it? This asks for ideas or actions to resolve the issue. Repeat after me. How can we fix it? If you are going to investigate a problem, I will check it. This means you will look into the issue to find a solution. Repeat after me. I will check it. If a machine or system is broken, it's not working. This tells others that something is broken or non-functional. Repeat after me. It's not working. After fixing a problem, everything is okay now. This tells everyone that the problem has been solved. Repeat after me. Everything is okay now. Finally, let's learn how to end the workday and say goodbye. Our first phrase, I am leaving now. This informs your colleagues that you are going home. Repeat after me. I am leaving now. When you leave work and expect to see someone the next day, see you tomorrow. This is a friendly way to say goodbye until the next workday. Repeat after me. See you tomorrow. To wish someone a good rest of the day after work, have a good evening. This is a polite farewell for the end of the day. Repeat after me. Have a good evening. When Friday comes, have a good weekend. This is a common and friendly farewell before the day's off. Repeat after me. Have a good weekend. And finally, the simplest goodbye, goodbye. You can always use goodbye when you leave the office. Repeat after me. Goodbye. Great job today. You've learned many important sentences for work and office English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these sentences in your daily life or even practice them with a friend. Keep learning and speaking English. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to English Bio Talk for more easy English lessons. And share this video with your friends who are also learning English. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.